Aradhya and Sonam, you have already seen the plating. Now you're going to cut and taste the food of what is the name of the dish, Neha?
It's called Mexican burrito.
Mexican burrito.
Baking powder and then a little butter. So this is wrapped in a little of salad and if wanted with rice, and if wanted chicken filling or paneer or any other veg filling. So it is mainly of a little more of salad. So that's how it's made.
Baked beans, even I used in the stuffing also and made a sauce out of it also. So even applied the paste also inside the sauce and stuffing using some spices. And this is enchilada sauce and cheese and all.
So what sauce you?
Yeah, it's tomato paste.
She's made a very different sauce made by baked beans. So she's tried something new for the first time. I would want the judges to judge. Bhanu Praveen, Marketing Manager of 1MG Lido Mall. 1MG Lido Mall has presented Foodie Fiesta Season 5. We started this campaign on 1st of September to 30th of September. We had workshops on each and every week by all the brands, F&B brands of the mall. We also had the attempting of the Limca Book of Records on 22nd, which happened at the mall on 22nd at 11 a.m. where we had attempted for 50 feet, but by God's grace we have achieved about 60.9 feet by making a 60.9 feet long submarine sandwich. Today we also are going to close off the Foodie Fiesta campaign with the cooking competition. We are very happy to receive such a good response from the customers of 1MG Lido Mall. It's been very overwhelming. We had about 42 people participating on the cooking competition. We had announced the 2 dishes on the digital platform. They have prepared 1 dish and they have come and done the plating. So we have judged them on 3 parameters. That is the taste, the plating and the little Q&A questions from the chef and the customer who was judging the show. So thank you so much. We are also planning for such great events in the coming months. Do keep watching our space, the social media page, the Facebook page 1MG Lido Mall. Thank you.
My name is Divyashi Ravishankar. I'm the Associate Director for the PES IUP Management Programs. We have an international MBA with the PS University, so I run the program. So yeah, I mean it was really a nice opportunity for me to judging all the 4 fantastic, I would say the chefs, junior chefs or the home cook, I would say. And yeah, all of them did a fantastic job because I saw a couple of them are moms and I am a mom myself, and it is very difficult to run the home, run the workplace and then come back cooking, and they found time to come here and participate. I really salute them, and yeah, the food was fantastic provided that it is their first time. So I am pretty happy. Yeah, thank you.
The home chefs have innovations. They try to create something of own, and this is quite good opportunity for them to do their best. If they have children and all, it's difficult for them still. And the food was good, and it's in 1MG Mall, Lido Mall, the Food Fiesta Season 5 which we have. Before that also we have did a competition. So we have more. We hope to see more like competition like this organized by 1MG Lido Mall.
And I'm very passionate about cooking. I keep trying new things, something or the other. And most of all, I love baking. So baking is like something a good passion for me, a thing for me. So this is the first time when I heard about the competition, I thought let me just try it and give it off. So first I prepared at home because I usually keep making new things, like experimenting new things with my own recipes as well, and blog itself. So this was a time like it was a Mexican, so a bit confusing, like how will it goes, like how they taste and everything. So I thought to add a flavor to a cooking, for a cooking the most important thing is you need a patience and interest, which I have actually. And secondly, the most important is flavors. What the most important flavors is, if it is a Mexican dish, you should have all the Mexican flavors to it. And so I just made out of it, and I don't know how I won it.